Nature of human geography. Geography can be divided into physical and human geography, where the physical geography comprises the physical environments and the human geography comprises the relationship between the physical environment and the humans. Nature of human geography. Human geography is the study of the interrelationship between the physical, natural environment created by the human beings through mutual interaction with each other. Naturalization of humans. At the primitive stage of human civilization, the technology was not much developed, so the humans' social development and the patterns of the human culture was also very primitive and was determined by the forces of nature. This type of interaction is called the environmental determinism. Humanization of nature. But later, with the passage of time, people started to understand the nature. They developed better and efficient technologies. So here, people and not the environment are the architect of their own culture, and this is called possibilism. Neo-determinism. It is a middle path between the environmental determinism and the possibilism. It was given by the geographer Griffith Taylor. It is also known as stop-and-go determinism. According to this concept, it means that human beings can control the nature by obeying it or by creating possibilism within the limits.